Hello and welcome back to another episode of Parent Proof. Toys! I have too many children's toys, but I want to keep giving her new and exciting things to play with. So today we're going to be making toys out of recycled materials, so let's get to it. My Smush loves bugs, not that she's very gentle with them. So I'm going to take some coffee filters, some colouring pens and create some smush proof bugs that she can play with. First, you'll need 2 coffee filter sheets. You'll need to borrow your little one's washable colouring pens and start drawing. This is a great time for your kids to get involved, designing their own butterflies with the colours and designs they love. Once you've finished, place a sheet of baking paper underneath. Using a pipette, drip water all over the paper to spread the ink. Ooh, look at it go. It will look like a watercolour piece of art when you're finished. Leave it to dry completely. Then concertina each of the circles. If you're not sure what concertina is, it's basically a fancy zigzag fold. Once they're both done, use a pipe cleaner, fold it in half and attach them together. Twist the pipe cleaners but leave 2 little arms for the antennae. Spread open each of the wings. Just be careful not to be too rough and rip them like I defo didn't do the first time I did this. I attached it to a stick I found outside with a cute bell saved from Christmas. And that's finished. Let's see what Smush thinks of her own butterfly. Butterflies. She definitely enjoyed the fact that they made a noise. She did have a unique way of playing with them though. This craft is definitely a win. They were super quick to make, they're colourful and noisy, so basically the best thing in the world for a toddler. So of course she loved it. The one thing that she didn't like was the fact that the butterflies weren't the best at flying. Oh well, we can't have everything. Thank you. Bye. My Smush loves being outside and she's very inquisitive, and most importantly she enjoys playing with the camera on my phone. However, my phone is not a toy even if she treats it like it is, so I want to try something a bit more smush proof. That should hopefully reduce her screen time and encourage her to go outside. Firstly, I use an empty wet wipe packet and remove the plastic cover. Recycle the rest of the packet. Find a box that your Smush can hold, so not too big. Make a hole in the middle of the box on both sides. Ooh, magical transition. I wish it was this easy in real life. Glue the plastic cover to your box. Then glue a small yogurt pot for the flash and a pom-pom for the button. Now decorate your camera. I borrowed her colouring pens and hopefully I'll be done before she notices. Attach some more pom-poms for the buttons. And that's it. You can add more decorations like straps or more buttons, whatever you have in your house. Now let's see if she likes it. She instantly got that it was a camera and got to work documenting the nature around her. She got really into it and loved pushing the pom-pom buttons. She was even telling me to hurry up so she could photograph everything. Overall, I think this one was a success. I'll definitely bring it with us next time we go for our walks. I just hope she doesn't ask to see the photos later on. Obviously I'm a mum, and like all mums I have jeans that no longer fit me. There is only so many you can donate. However, did you know you can make your old jeans into changeable play areas, and I'm going to show you how. So obviously you'll need a pair of jeans. Mine are old and have some holes in them. Use some sharp scissors to cut them into rectangles and maybe even some curvy bits. Sew all the edges so there aren't any raw or framed bits. Then, using a template, paint your road lines onto the jean pieces. I'm just using some acrylic paint I have in the house. Leave that to dry and it's as simple as that. Store them in a box just to keep them tidy and all in the same place. Things were off to a good start as Smush got stuck into the strips before I even had time to turn on the camera. She was a bit confused at first, but after a while she realised what I was making and quite enjoyed bossing me around to build it quicker. She got the right idea and was playing quite happily. She was taking the cars up and down the road and even offered me a car so we could play together. Successful parenting bonding, yay! But after a while, she found it was more fun playing the part of the malevolent god and started tearing up her city. Literally. Maybe I should have added Velcro? Well, at least she's having fun. That's it for this episode. These crafts have really got me thinking about how to repurpose more things day to day, and I'm really excited to see what repurposing crafts you swear by in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!